Welcome back. We've got Chef Anthony Fisher in studio again, and we've been making fried chicken. It smells delicious. Just pulled it off the stove a little bit ago. Let's just recap what we did to make it this far.
So we took our chicken, I split it in half the long way, took the two lobes off of the breast, and then I laid it in a piece of plastic, pounded it out to about a 1/4 inch thick, and then I laid it into our flour seasoning blend, and then into egg wash, and back into the flour seasoning blend, and into a hot skillet for about 4 minutes.
About 2 minutes on either side.
Yep.
And you were saying like the heat was between like low and medium,
Yes.
you know, kind of varying, but it didn't take long to cook because he had it pretty thin.
Yes, I had it pretty thin, and we watched the way that it goes, and I started with hot oil, so it's easier to maintain that way.
Now, your students made this seasoning.
Yes.
How do you like to make your seasoning? You start with flour.
I start with flour, and I immediately go to salt and pepper first, and then I look to decide which ways that I want to go, depending upon what my mood is. I'll go things like, if I want to use this for chicken parmesan, then I'll go very herby. I'll go oregano, some rosemary, some thyme, just kind of depending upon where I want to be at the end of it. This works really nice because you can take this and then put it onto a hot pan, lay some mozzarella over the top of it, put it in the oven for just a few minutes, pull it out, put it on top of some nice pasta, and you have a really nice portion. Now, everybody's trying to buy wise and eat healthy. One chicken breast will make 2 servings doing it this way. And you're not going to feel like you're not full. And you can use pasta. And I always say, oh, make your pasta yourself, because we've done that here.
Yes, we have.
And then create your own sauce, make your sauces from scratch. It doesn't take real long. You could spend a Saturday or a Sunday and meal plan, or just your day off and do all sorts of meal planning ideas and come up with an idea what you want to do every week. So, and then you can find all sorts of great calendars out there that have different recipes for every month. And I get those brought into me. My students absolutely love them. Ooh, look at that. And it's still juicy.
Yeah, I don't know if you get a close up of that. That's beautiful.
Now this makes a great sandwich. Like I said, you can do it on chicken parm. You can do this with rice. Put it with rice, whatever you want.
I'm stalling because I know it's very hot, so I don't want to burn my mouth. It's steaming still.
You ready?
Here it goes.
They did a good job.
They did very good.
I love how their ideas just start to take off. And it's never one of them with just an idea. Because one will start putting something in, then somebody else will chime in, well, what about this? And what about this? And let's do this. So their imaginations just start exploding.
That's really good. Yeah,
isn't it great?
You did excellent.
And this is a wonderful meal for you to do really quick throughout the week. Leave them laid in plastic, put them on a plate, put them in the refrigerator. They'll hold for about 6 days.
Okay.
So you don't necessarily have to do it that day, but you can have it available. You can throw this on a breakfast sandwich.
That's 6 days you need to take into account how long you've had it in there before you cut it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, depending upon how long you've had it. Now, if you buy it from the grocery store and bring it home and put it in there, you'll get about 6 days.
There you go. All right, well, you can watch again and find out how we made this with the recipe on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. Just check it out a little bit later in the show. Any idea what we might be doing in the coming weeks?
I think we might go on a little healthy kick.
Okay.
And
it's a new year.
It is a new year. Go a little on a healthy kick. I'll see what we can't pull out of the farms. And we'll talk to Martinez Produce, maybe make a wonderful vinaigrette and a salad.
And you were thinking about maybe in the upcoming weeks, maybe doing a meatloaf too.
Oh yes, I love meatloaf. Meatloaf is one of my absolute favorite things. So I was thinking about doing a meatloaf.
Of course, we got Mardi Gras coming up, so we'll have to do something with that too.
Of course,
I'm
you can't forget Mardi Gras.
with that. Yeah.
Mardi Gras is a great time to experiment with food, and if I can get my hands on it, maybe we'll do something with clams.
That would be good. Yeah. A lot of things ahead this semester, this spring, winter.
That's right. We have our Culinary Showdown coming up, where we're hosting, and then we'll travel to Ozark to compete there as well. We have a baking competition coming up that's being hosted by Parsons High School, which we're really excited for. I have about 20 students already signed up and ready to compete.
That's awesome.
So we have all sorts of adventures and endeavors coming up. We just got to stay on track.
All right. Welcome to 2023 and Happy New Year.
You as well.
We'll be right back.